Right now, I'm going to show you how to do an interactive activity with your students or how to create one. So I'm in my teacher account and I'm going to go ahead to press the add and we're going to say activity. And this is something we need to create. So we're going to create a new one and we're going to call this one States of Matter. And we're going to put the date. So we're going to do it on Friday, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add a template. It's very important you do it here so that you can put your video instructions or any other instructions you have here. And by doing it on a template, the students are allowed to write on top of it. So I'm going to do it on a template, and I'm going to come to drawing, and I'm going to give it a title, States of Matter Activity. And I'm going to put my title, pull it out, and then I'm going to move it over up to the top. And I'm going to lock this so that students can't move it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the directions, and I'm going to say match the pictures to the correct state of matter, period. And I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to move it over here. And I actually noticed that I can change the style to put black on white. And I think that just helps see the direction. So I'm going to lock that too. So this is here. I can't move it. The only way I can move it is to unlock it. I've already gathered some pictures online that I want to use. And I'm going to just drop and drag them in. I'm going to pull them larger. Remember, you can take a screenshot online. I also need to lock this so that kids can't move it. And I'm going to make my text box, but I need to go back. Actually, let me pull it down so I can see that. I need to change the style to no text around it in white. And we're going to say solid, liquid, gas. And I'm going to pull those up and I'm going to lock them as well. And then I found some other pictures that I liked. So I'm going to pull those in and make it smaller. And this guy's in the way, so I'm going to unlock him and make him longer. There we go, so that he doesn't get in my way again. And put my ice and then my other pictures. And remember, I need to lock those so that the kids can't move it. And the goal here, and I may have to edit my directions, we really want them using the pen tool match the pictures. So I'm going to lock that back. And now I have my activity done. So I'm going to put a check. And notice it goes down here to the bottom. So each student gets a template. You can put your directions in here. It's probably a good idea to put the same directions using the pen tool. Match the pictures with the correct state of matter. If you have some teaching or something to do, you can add that to the multimedia instructions. You can always add a video. And we're going to now press save. And remember, I've made it now, but I need to assign it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assign it. And I'm going to assign it to my demo student. And check and assign. And so now it should be there. So I'm going to go to my demo student, which is here. I'm going to refresh my page. And now when that student clicks on activities, they will see it. So they can click on. And if you had a video, it would show up there. But when I add the response, now the student can take input text boxes, but that's not the rule. That's not what we asked for. We asked for pencil or pen, and they can do the actual matching. Now, the neat thing is that you can make these boxes so the boxes can move, and that would just be not locking them. So your choice. Hope you enjoy and hope this helps and something different to actually meet what you're trying to do in the class and what you're trying to teach. So enjoy.